Bernardo.
Nicola.
Thank you for coming.
So, what is this urgent matter you wish to discuss, Raffaele?
What all of Sicily is talking about.
You have a problem with how I conduct my affairs?
How you conduct your affairs. There's blood in the streets. This war with Spadaro, it has gone too far.
You do not tell me what is too far.
Don't forget your position. My family has owned this land for generations.
Who has kept it that way?
Forgery, arson, murder. There's talk of sending a prefect from Rome to fight the Mafia. If that happens, our problems worsen tenfold.
I sense you've come to regret our association.
My commitment is firm. But this bloodshed, it has to stop.
Spadaro attacked my family. He put you in ruin. Cowardice is repaid in misery.
But what is the cost, eh? The cost of acting in anger. Spadaro's too strut. He seeks to provoke, Bernardo. Expects you to fight.
What would you have me do?
Come to the table. Negotiate.
Spadaro, he knows only force, eh? Keep fighting. And there will be no spoils at the end of this war. Settle a peace, and there will be ways to win.
What if something happens to you? What kind of future would you live, Isabella? And what of our plans to join our families? If everything burns along the way, then all of that ambition is for nothing.
What makes you think Spadaro would stop now?
Spadaro's losing money, as we all are. And I'm sure he shares your distaste for the authorities. If I can get Spadaro to come to the table, would you consider it?
I'll meet. Neutral ground, the usual place.
This is progress.
Speak to Spadaro. If he's willing, set up a meeting. My family will mediate and guarantee safety. Now, Bien. Have a drink, eh?
Not today.
Enzo, come in.
I don't have long.
I haven't seen you in weeks. I can't sleep wondering if you're alive or dead.
This war with Spadaro, it'll be over soon.
A long time ago, you told me you can choose who you are. Is this your choice? How you want life to be?
Isabella, your father trusts me now. I'll ask him soon for his permission. We can be together.
I love you, Enzo. But I cannot live in my father's world. Not anymore. But there's something else.
What do you mean?
I... Find me later. We need to talk.
Mi dispiace. Hey.
What? Did I wake you? Go find Luca. We're leaving soon.
Feeding Spadaros. After what they did.
There's nothing for you to worry about.
Don't say that. I am not blind, Luca.
Valentina,
You have a son, a baby.
we've been here before. Things will settle down, you will see. Hey,
Didn't mean to interrupt.
You didn't. I was just leaving.
Minchia. You have all this to look forward to when you're married, Enzo. Everyone's ready?
I think so.
Then we'd better go. Listen, Enzo. Don Galante is the level head we need right now. He'll bring about a compromise.
Compromise. With Spadaro.
This vendetta's personal for you, I know.
It's personal for all of us. Look around you.
Tino,
What time is it? Aren't you supposed to be kissing Spadaro's backside around now?
we have to talk this out.
Talk. Look where that got us before.
I take it you're not coming.
I'll never speak with that figgin' putana again.
Remember, Enzo, this thing, it's a business. Everything else getting out of hand stops it working. So unless you want to be scraping by on your last lira come winter, we have a choice to make. There you are. Enzo, you're driving. Let's get going.
Where are we going?
The Tonnara, big tuna factory on the other side of Porto Almaro.
Minchia. Why do we have to meet all the way out there?
Because when matters get out of hand, that is where we talk.
It's neutral ground. The Tonnara was Michele's business. You should know all this. How many times did I take you?
Nobody ever told me.
You know, if you had brains, you'd be dangerous.
Who is Michele? If it's all right to ask.
Michele was a good friend of ours. Leo's father. He died a long time ago.
He was killed, you mean?
At least this he remembers. Michele was killed. And after that, Don Galante and I sat down with his murderers at the Tonnara. And we made peace.
Look where that got us.
Keep your opinions to yourself. There's more to this life than killing and retribution. You do well to remember that.
Was that how the last war ended?
That's enough for now, Enzo.
Tell him what happened, Luca. There should be no secrets between us.
All right. This whole thing started about 20 years ago. Back then, we were a smaller outfit. We worked for Fontanella's father, protecting his properties, collecting rent, that kind of thing.
The older Fontanella. That was some kind of man. If he had lived a few years longer, this whole thing might have been avoided.
The old man died suddenly.
Yes, under his comare. She was so fat, she broke his ribs. I had to tell the coroner that he'd been kicked by a horse, just to spare his dignity.
Wonder if Gennaro knows how his grandfather died.
I doubt it, and you won't breathe a word of it to anyone.
Then, everything changed. The new Baron Fontanella, our good friend, sold half of his share of the sulfur mine and moved to Palermo. He left Don Torrisi in control of this land.
Which would have made a good end to the story, except his new partners brought in their own men, from their operation in Agrigento.
Spadaro and Bastoni. Men of honor both, but not like us.
That is an understatement. Thugs, with no code, no discipline, no tradition.
We showed them respect. We even worked together on a few things. But more and more we saw them pushing out from Colezzone and onto our territory.
How did the war start?
A small matter of a bench, if you can believe it.
Some of our boys were up in San Celeste to watch the palio. They got into an argument with some coglioni from Colizzolfo over a bench overlooking the track. Found 3 of them the next day. Their throats cut and dumped in the river. I had to tell their mothers.
And just like that, we're at war. It had been years coming. It was savage, brutal, not like anything we'd ever seen. Dozens died on both sides.
What happened to Leo's father?
That animal Bastoni came in the night and set fire to his house. Michele, his wife, and 2 sons all died. Only Leone survived. Because he was staying with his grandfather ahead of a hunting.
Michele was a good man. An honorable man. Even Spadaro knew it. That's what brought him to the negotiating table.
So after all that, you made peace and that was it?
Not exactly.
Bastoni had gone too far. And we agreed he had to pay for what he done.
And he did.
And put his eyes out. But Kelly's knife.
I don't think any good can come of this.
You're not here to think, Cesare. We'll settle this, same as we did before.
Did Spadaro attack on a saint's day back then? Did he walk with the Lord? He's not the same man.
What do you know about things back then, eh? You're a boy.
Enough! I have too much on my mind having to meet with that bastard without you bickering. I need to think. All right, we're getting close. Once we're inside, you'll stay quiet. All of you.
We can be quiet.
Not you, Cesare. You stay outside.
What? Why?
Because you can't control your emotions. I can't let that jeopardize what needs to be done here. Besides, we need a trusted man to watch our backs.
Cesare, you're to stay outside.
I heard it the first time.
Look, I need someone I trust out here, Luca, visti? Keep the engine running.
Don Torrisi.
Leone.
Don Spadaro arrived a little while ago. He's waiting inside with my grandfather.
Then let's join them. I have no desire to spend a minute more in that man's company than I need to.
Please, follow me. I hope my grandfather can help to settle this matter today.
Your grandfather has agreed to host this meeting. I've agreed to talk. Nothing more.
Respectfully, Don Torrisi, with this war, we all suffer. I hope you can find a way to end this.
Spadaro's everywhere.
I already told you. Set that aside for today.
You really see this working?
This is how things get settled. For better or worse, the war can't go on.
They're just inside here.
Enzo, get the door.
Old friend. Bien, bien. Please. Now, we know why we are meeting. So let's get on with it, eh?
Despite misgivings, I'm here on the promise to find a settlement.
Too much blood's been spilled.
Because you broke your word. And because you can't control your men.
Are you asking for my protection?
I've seen how things turn out for those that you look after.
Let's dispense with the recriminations, shall we?
War's bad for business. You want a settlement? We have a proposal.
We?
Please, hear him out.
What is this?
Fontanella's are selling up, Torrisi. His estate in the mine, prospecting, and water rights on the east side of the valley, including his vineyard, which you've taken as your home.
I ask again. What is this?
I have been left with no choice.
I'll offer market rate for your remaining holdings as a mark of respect.
You can't be serious.
Bernardo, please. Don't stand in the way of progress.
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 And what happens when the land is stripped bare? How will you line your pockets then, huh? No, this is an affront.
It's an opening position. I see it's not been very well received. The Baron and I must confer. We may have a more agreeable alternative.
Did you know about this?
No, this is the first I've heard of it. I think I can convince him. Let me give him one more chance.
No.
Galante! Get down! No! Down! Down!
Enzo!
Stay down! Keep the door covered! You fucking miss! Stay behind something! Bernardo, I'm hit.
Where?
My arm, my chest. You're hit?
Let me see. Shit!
Luca!
Keep pressure on him! Those fucking bastards! No, I've seen a lot worse. You'll be alright.
You'll be okay?
Enzo, Harry! Let's go! Enzo, get over here, quickly!
That's all of them. There'll be more outside.
Enzo, we're going to clear a path. Shoot straight, don't hesitate. We have to reach Cesare.
You're going straight to hell, bastardo! Quickly! This way! Through here!
Minchia. All of them. Dead.
Cesare! Do you see Cesare?
I don't see him.
Then he's still out there. Let me check on Luca, then we find Cesare. And we all get out of here.
How bad is it?
You're alright, a lot of fight left in you.
We're dead if we don't find a way out.
So find one. We're making it out of here.
Get down! What's up? You see him? Work your way around. I'll cover you.
Thank God you're alive.
Where are the others?
Luca's been shot. Have you seen Cesare?
I've seen no one. That fucker has me pinned down. And I'm out of ammo. You need to clear him out. Reloading. Get all you got!
Leone! Where's Enzo?
Luca. Madonnuzza.
Where's Cesare? The car?
Leone, this is your father's place. How do we get out?
Right. See, there's a side exit. Through here. Maybe it's clear.
Leo, your grandfather.
I know you wouldn't have left him behind.
Torrisi! He's here! Take him out!
Get in!
Cesare! Grazie a Dio! Everyone with me! We're getting out of here! Turn him around.
Please, want to finish the job.
Okay.
to Almaro. Pull up in the bar.
They'll follow. Get back there. Don't let them get us.
Luca! Tamadi! How is he?
He's a warrior! He suffered worse! You just get us out of here in one piece! Enzo, that's more of them on our tail!
I'm on it! Spadaro sent everyone at us. Fucker will pay for what he did to my grandfather! Nicolo! Santa Mazzari! Oh, he'll pay all right!
Going to be fun!
Keep them off us, Enzo! They're blocking the road!
Christ!
Want to get there comfortable or alive?
Damn it! What happened to the road?
Hold it together! We're almost out! We're nearly there! We'll get you inside! Get it up!
Forza. Yeah, I have him. Come on.
Nobody makes it inside this bar. Capiste?
We'll take care of it. Get them inside. Come on. They're not giving up. They came all the way here.
And they'll regret it! We don't leave a single one alive!
That's the last of them. For now. Let's get inside. Open up! They're gone. Luca! Here, hold this. Put pressure on it. There's morphine upstairs. The girls will show you.
Where is the doctor?
He's coming. You'll be all right, okay? You're all right. Resisti, Luca. Tranquillo.
God, forgive me. It's look at me. Get up. If you can. Get up.
Luca. 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 I've got it. Luca, svegliati.